Welcome to Hotel Hero, part 3 of the door bumper wall repair that went through the wall. I'm down to the last amount of water weld I'm using. I realized I had nothing on the top, so I shaved it with, you can see there's a gap there now. So I'm gonna wet my fingers. I'll place it up in there. And that way every side has some epoxy that's adhering to the drywall. I'm gonna use my key card, put it in the groove. I forgot to wet the card. There we go. Just pack it in there. Like cinder blocks. Piece of paper that was drywall paper that was coming off. The remainder of the spaces. I'm covering the screw because hopefully I won't have to come back here ever again to repair this. It's already pretty solid, as you can see. Once this cures, it's gonna be rock hard. So basically just skim coat it with drywall mud, texture, prime it, texture it, prime it again, and then paint it. Anyways, I hope you found this bumper wall repair video very helpful, and God bless you.